What if I told you that you're wasting thousands of rupees every year on cleaning products you don't actually need? What if everything under your kitchen sink right now could be replaced by just two natural ingredients that cost less than 100 rupees combined? I know this sounds impossible. I know you're probably thinking this is too good to be true. But I tested this for 3 months, and what I discovered will make you question everything the cleaning industry has been selling you. Keep watching, because your wallet is about to thank you. The expensive trap we're all caught in. Let's do a quick mental exercise. Think about how many cleaning products you have in your home right now. Kitchen cleaner, bathroom cleaner, glass cleaner, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, dish soap, fabric softener, stain remover. The list goes on, doesn't it? Now think about how much you spend on these products every month. 300 rupees? 500? 1,000? And here's the painful part. You think you need all of them. You've been convinced that each surface, each type of dirt, requires its own specialized chemical formula. But what if that's a lie? The two ingredients that replace everything. Are you ready? The two ingredients that can replace almost every cleaning product in your home are white vinegar and baking soda. I know what you're thinking. That's it? That's the big secret? But wait, before you dismiss this, let me explain why this combination is so extraordinarily powerful. These aren't just random household items. They're chemical powerhouses that have been used for centuries precisely because they work better than anything modern science has created. The formulas that work like magic. Let me give you the exact recipes I use to replace every expensive cleaner in your home. For all-purpose cleaning, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Add 10 drops of essential oil if you want a pleasant scent. This solution cleans countertops, appliances, windows, mirrors, literally everything. It costs maybe 20 rupees to make and lasts for weeks. Compare that to a branded all-purpose cleaner that costs several dollars and runs out in days. The 3-month transformation. When I first decided to try this, I didn't throw away all my cleaning products immediately. I'm not reckless. I tested these natural alternatives side by side with my expensive branded cleaners. And honestly, I was shocked. In some cases, the natural combo worked better. Not equally well, better. My mirrors had fewer streaks. My kitchen counters stayed cleaner longer. My bathroom smelled fresher, without that artificial chemical smell. The truth the industry hides. Here's what really bothers me. The cleaning product industry knows this. They know that simple, natural ingredients work just as well, if not better, than their formulas. But they can't make money selling you vinegar and baking soda. There's no profit margin. So instead, they invest millions in marketing campaigns that convince you that cleaning is complicated, that you need specialized products, that natural ingredients are old-fashioned and ineffective. It's manipulation, pure and simple. Your liberation starts today. Imagine walking into a store and walking right past the cleaning aisle. Imagine not spending mental energy comparing prices and reading labels. Imagine having more money in your account at the end of every month. Imagine breathing easier knowing your home is clean without toxic chemicals. This isn't a fantasy. This is what happens when you make the switch. This is the freedom that comes from rejecting unnecessary consumerism and choosing what actually works. So there it is. The natural combination that replaces expensive cleaners and saves you hundreds of dollars every year. White vinegar and baking soda. 2 ingredients. Endless possibilities. If this video just opened your eyes to how much money you've been wasting, if you're ready to make the switch, show your support by smashing that like button right now. And please, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell because we're exposing more money-saving truths every single week. Share this video with your family and friends. Help them break free from expensive cleaning products. Comment below telling me which cleaner you're replacing first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and clean smarter, not more expensively.